Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: a minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 27, and we're supposed to find the value of a. So let's provide solution very quickly, and here we have to copy what we have. We have a minus 1 power 3 equals to 27. All right, what can we do? We have here a minus 1 power 3, then minus 27, which equals to 0. And of course we can write a minus 1 power 3 minus this 27 can be 3 power 3, which equals to 0. All right, so this is what we have right here. And of course here we can write this one as here what we have means that we have to write this one as here as a cube minus b cube, to mean that this is a and this is b as this one. So this as a minus 1, okay, then plus, when we have here minus, we start by minus 3, right, then times this one a minus 1 here squared, then plus, right, ab can be a here a minus 1 times b times the 3, then here plus 3 squared will be equals to 0. And of course here we shall get a minus 4 times open bracket of here a squared here minus 2a, right, then plus 1 plus here we have 3a minus 3 plus 9 will be 0. And then here at this stage we have a minus 4 times open bracket of here a squared, here we have this one and this, we shall get plus a, we have 1 minus 3 which is equal to negative 2, plus 9 should be plus 7 which equals to 0. Of course here we shall write this one a minus 4 will be 0, or a squared plus a plus 7 will be 0, and then of course here a will be 4. This is a1, whereas in this quadratic equation we have right here we're going to find a, 2 and 3, right, which is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of here b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is what I have. So we have a which is equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 7. And here can continue by writing a, 2 and 3 will be here negative b, this is negative 1 plus or minus square root of here 1 here minus 4 times c, which is 7 over 2. And of course this will be negative 1 plus or minus here square root of here negative 27, right, over 2. And here this will be negative 1 plus or minus here, this is 3i square root of 3 over 2, means that here a2 will be negative 1 plus 3i square root of 3 over 2, and then here a3 will be negative 1 minus 3i square root of 3 over 2, as we have it right here. And of course you have to check if the answer is correct. So we have given here a minus 1, then power 3, which is equal to 27. And of course we have a, which is 4 minus 1 power 3, which is equal to 27. We have 3 power 3, which is equal to 27, and 27 is equal to 27. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.